a stick. I pull up with a stick. I pull up with a pink toe. With me, she sucking the dick. I put some diamonds on her toes. Let her hold on and I'm rich. You was used to pulling king doors. I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got on follow in my footsteps like the feds. I shoot like I'm Montana, chop up bullets, make them shit. Black on black, new phantom in the backseat sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta with these hoes ready dick like big. Condo like the pharmacy, I got codeine in my.
Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going back to doing Team of the Week packs. There's a limited Melvin Gordon in the pack and it just came out 10 minutes ago roughly, so let's get into it. We're gonna rip all 10, we'll see what we get. Russell Wilson, okay. 86 is pretty good. Start. Oh, another one. Oh my god, Matt Burke, a full one. Oh my goodness, that's a pack. Let's go. And golds. What a start. Already a good week. Gotta compare him to Frederick, see which center is better. And an elite. 81. At least it's an elite. Oh, first one. Devontae Adams. And Joe Show. Okay. At least there's some high 70s in here. That's awesome. As Devontae Adams got a +1 overall, so I guess his power up goes to 90, I'm assuming now. I really thought he'd get the card though. He had a couple of strong performances lately. Drawing it again. At least we're getting some. I think they made these packs slightly better. Probably because the overalls are really dropping in price now. AJ Klein, okay. Nothing else really. Whatever he goes for. So we're halfway. We fold one full hero. $86. Okay. Harrison Bryant. That's pretty disappointing. Mixon. Oh, another one. Here we go. 81. That could have been cool. But I mean, 3 elites in one pack. They're only 40,000. It's close to getting your money back. David DeCastro. He might go for a lot in a little bit. A legend. Ricky Jackson, huh? To Adams again. Anything else good in this? Again, 3 elites, mid-tier elites. Probably made our money back on that one. Okay, we'll go back and forth for the last 3. Oh my god, 2 silvers. That's not a good start. DJ Moore, low elite. Oh, another elite. Okay. Tyrann Mathieu. It's a little better, and then another silver. Alright, full one here. Limited edition. Nope. Devontae Adams. Alright, 3 elites. 85 is pretty good. Not bad. $63. That's pretty porous. Cole Hardman. I'm surprised he doesn't have a better card yet. The silver pack. This is probably the worst pack so far. Ah, can it save it? No. take it. Jameis. Come on. Jerron Reed again. Alright, so there are a couple of mid-tier ones. We got the full center. He might go for a lot because he's a good center. And then, other than that, it was pretty whatever, but we got a couple of regular elites in there as well to pull us to probably positive, I would say. Alright, what other packs do we have in here? Let's do a couple of these game changers. See how they treat us. A legend, that's a good start. Lowest possible one. Another one. 89 Steve McNair. I will take that all day. And another elite. And another elite. Is this going to be an all-elite plaque? Oh my god, it is! Wow. Now that's a pack. All elites. Made our money back for sure on that one. And this one starts with the gold. Come on, give us a full legend or something. That'd be awesome. Full limited edition? Oh, Jerron Reed's following us. Again, almost all elites. Probably get most of our money back. Nothing big though, that's the only problem. Gold. Come on, give us something big. 85. Alright, that was the worst one. But we got some high golds. And the 85 might balance it out a little bit. Got enough for one more. Starting with an elite, okay. Nothing special. Gold, gold. Yeah, you run though. Halloween card. That's disappointing. Oof. That's a bad pack. Huh? So the Gridiron packs gave us some hope, but didn't really go anywhere. Overall, I think we're at least even, if not a little bit positive, just because we pulled the full center. But we'll see next video, I guess. As you can see, when we started, we had 600,000 coins, so the last pack openings actually went really well for us and made us money. And yesterday I accidentally pulled a legend pack. I was actually just trying to do the double click down and do a get a player pack, and I guess I wasn't paying attention and I pulled a Legends Fantasy pack, which is a risk I didn't want to take, but it actually ended up working out because the last card we pulled was Redux Gronkowski, which we sold for 128,000. So that one card made all our money back, and then we made 60k off of the other cards. So I actually ended up gaining, but yeah, I did not want to pull that pack. That pack is usually not worth the amount you put into it. And then quickly, let's go over the team. So offensive line, I believe, is the same. Jared Cook is our starting tight end. Jermichael Finley just moved down. We got Michael Gallup added, and Andre Johnson's leveling up. DK Metcalf was our number one, and then it just so happened that we pulled one of the top cards for the team of the week, Tyler Lockett, and Tyler Lockett was already on our team, so we just figured it made sense to finish the set and level him up to 92. Dak and Zeke are still our starters. Sam Mills is getting a few overall higher, but The big additions here at safety, we traded in that Ronnie lot just to bump up some levels for overall, like the trade-ins. And we completed Bobby McCain, and a lot of those players that we pulled, we just quick sold so we could do one of those training packs for the flashbacks, and got Adrian Amos because he's a beast, a budget beast. Defensive line looks the same, and we finished our Nat Dominic Rogers-Cromartie. We just sold off. I decided to just sell off the free pieces of the 50. It doesn't really make sense to me that, like, even with half the set complete, you're still gonna spend another, I don't know, 250,000 to get the last like half of the 81s, because like that's basically full price for them off the auction block. So I just figured if I want one, I'll just buy it straight off the auction block. I'm not gonna do the sets. The sets just don't make sense in my opinion. So that's it for now, guys. And make sure you drop a like on this video. If you're new to the channel and want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our future content. And finally, until next time, guys.